Dear students, greetings from Dr. T. Senthil Murugan, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Information Technology, Kakatiya Institute of Technology and Science, Warangal. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss about two-dimensional array. How to declare the two-dimensional array, what is the syntax for declaration of two-dimensional array, and how to initialize the values for two-dimensional array. These things we are going to discuss in this video lecture. Okay. Dear students, in this video lecture, week 7, lecture 1, classroom discussion topic 19. We are going to discuss about two-dimensional array. Okay, so how to declare the two-dimensional array. So before starting that, we must know the outcome of this lecture. So end of this lecture, students will be able to write a C program using two-dimensional array. Okay. So what is two-dimensional array? It's defined on arrays of array. Okay, so within the array you can save another array like two-dimensional array. It's organized as matrices, especially can be represented as collection of rows and rows. So how many rows, how many columns? Row and columns we can use. It's like a table format of data we can represent using two-dimensional array. Okay, so the each rows will be represented in the first array, then each column will be represented in the second array. So the syntax of declaration of two-dimensional array is data type. So same like one-dimensional array, and array name. This is also same like one-dimensional array. And here you are using two brackets. Okay, the first bracket will represent a row, and second bracket will represent column. Okay. So this is a syntax for declaring the two-dimensional array. So it's mainly used for holding the bulk of data at once. Okay, bulk of data at one's place. So this is a syntax. So how we can write it? Data type first, then array name, rows and columns, number of rows and number of columns you include. So examples, you can declare the int array with two-dimensional, the name I can given, you can give any name, and first one 4 rows and 3 columns. For this we can declare two-dimensional array. Okay, so how to initialize the value for two-dimensional array? So normally in one dimensional what we did, so int of, for example, array name is A, if 10 is there means we can use open curly braces, 10 values we can give separated by the comma. So like that we discussed in the previous video lecture. But in two-dimensional array, what happened? So first array represent row and second array represent column. Okay. So how many rows are there? That many brackets we can use. Okay. So this is the first row, second row, third row, fourth row. So each row, how many values are there? 3 columns. So each row, 3 values should be there. Okay, you can give like that. You can initialize the values like that. If in case if you are given like this, what happen? Int arr of 4 comma 3. You are given 1 2 3 4 5 6. So what it will take? Semicolon. So what is the value it will consider? So what it will consider? It will take that 0 comma 0. So 4 rows are there, no? 4 rows, 3 columns. So 0 0 0 1 0 2. So like that it will take 3 values. So first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. Okay. So like that it will go up to fourth row is there. So fourth row is third and first values, second values and third values. So 0 to 3. So total How many values are there? 4 into 3, 12 values are there. So if you are given only these values means it will consider the 0, 0 value. That means first row it will take 3 values and the remaining are it will consider the 0. Okay, so you must be given initialize the values using the bracket properly. Then only it will assign the value properly. Okay, so the first row 1, 2, 3, second row 4, 5, 6 it will take. Otherwise, what happens? It will consider only one array you are initialized. Remaining rows are zeros it will consider. Okay, so this is a simple example program. Initially, so as discussed, like 4 rows and 3 columns we are initialized the value. So how we can print it? We can use the nested for loops. Okay, one is I variable, another one is the j variable. So first is represent the row, that outer loop. This for loop represent the row. This for loop represent the column. Okay, so first value it will take and the 3 values it will store it. Okay, so using array values, so whatever value we are stored that will be printed here. Okay, so finally you can close this inner loop and outer loop, then finally main function. So after executing it, what it will print? I comma j comma array of j values. So first one a of 0 comma 0 equal to a of I comma I. So what is the value you are given? 1. It will take and print 1. So like that a 0 comma 1, because j value is incremented, it is not incremented I values. So now another value. So how up to this what happened? 4 like n minus 1, 3 and this is 2. So 0, 2, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2 like that. 3, 2, it will be the last values. So you can give values. Already we are given, the value will be printed accordingly. Okay. So now I hope you are enjoyed this video. I hope you are understand the concept of two-dimensional array. So now end of this discussion of this topic, two-dimensional array in C language. Now students should be able to, okay. So it is revisited. So previously it is will be able to, now should be able to write a C program using two-dimensional array. Okay. So these are the lecture level programs. So these problems you will try to solve it in your home. Write a C program to print a multiplication table of 5. And as well as you can develop the C program to add 2 matrices. Okay. So I hope you are enjoyed this video. Even if you have doubt, you can refer the textbook Programming in ANSI C, authored by the E. Balakurusamy sir, chapter 7 arrays concept. Okay. So still you have doubt, you can refer the weekly tutorial sheet. So further doubt, you can come with the doubt, we will discuss in the classroom. Thank you very much for listening this entire video lecture. Thank you all.